day I become interested in politics, then we'll see.
You can become.
One doesn't know.
You are keeping
Tomorrow if we find that the whole of Goa is going to dogs, it's only being looted, the whole public exchequer is looted. Right thinking citizens will have to come, many activists will have to come. The Chief Minister is a new person. He has to perform and show. Only if he performs and shows. But today we have a light problem. I was here in Goa for last 2 days. Light is flickering. We did not have water for about 10 days. These were never heard things before. See, one thing which I read in the newspaper was about political witch hunting against persons who were perceived to be close to Mr. Parrikar.
including you.
Including me. I will never ever appear for Goa or any of his departments or anything.
It's a big statement.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Very frankly, I'm telling you.
It's a very radical statement also.
Doesn't matter.
It's your state.
Doesn't matter. It's my state. I agree with you. But it's a matter of my... If the state has done this to you, then just forget it. Today's Chief Minister feels that Parrikar's dispensation is not appropriate for him. Parrikar had people who had certain principles with them, who had performed and who had shown. Okay? Sometimes dispensation may feel that I am not very comfortable working with them because my agenda is X and these people will not allow me to take that agenda further. राज्याच्या स्टेट फायनान्सची लास्ट 3 महिने किती झालं ते खबर असा तुका 100 crores have been borrowed every month. Are you aware of it?
Yeah.
See the revenue. See the revenue model of the state ought to have been reflected in the budget. Parrikar could not pass that budget because of his health reasons. Thereafter, what kind of budget is there for Goa? So, therefore, you need somebody at least to know what is budgeting, what is the annual financial statement of the government. I'm not criticizing anybody. If there was a good budget for Goa, I would have surely said it's a good budget for Goa. As I said, I don't mind removing AG or removing me and all that. It's a part of his prerogative. It's a part of the Chief Minister's prerogative. He can have a lawyer of his choice. Manner in which you have done is objectionable. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Some people have their own way of working. It might have been your manner. But
तुम्ही पोचवून घेता तेही बी
I don't mind because, see, as I told you, I'm not affected by it. But be prepared to face the consequences.